Okay, this is not planned. So my desk is a mess. Put it away. Just a moment. It's 2 weeks that I was upstairs, and I was wondering yesterday, well, not wondering, why Annelies asked me how I was doing, because I am still not well, terribly. My back is killing me for 2 weeks now. But a day later I got a package from her, and Annelies is from Crealies, guys, and yeah, I just could not make this open downstairs without you guys, because I got a feeling what's inside. So I definitely want to show you this all. I definitely want to open this with you together. So okay, so I got a package from Crealies, and it's a dye company. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, what's this? Huh? I think they are all my... Oh, look at this. Van harte beterschap. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so sweet. Groetjes Annelies. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, so what I see here. Okay. Hoi Diana, super bedankt voor het lenen van je mooie voorbeelden. Oh, that is super cute. Those are all my pieces that they used for to show on the Hoganda oh, from the Hoganda, yeah, if I pronounce it correctly. All these are shown on television. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So now they are coming back to me. I had no idea that they ever come back to me, but they do. Oh wow. And these are also the ones that she had on her how you call that, her fair market, craft fair market. Oh my gosh, totally forgot about all these. Super cute, super cute. Totally forgot about those words too. Oh my goodness. Oh, super. Thank you so much that you sent me back all of my items so I can store them. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Design C. Oh. crealies.nl on the move, for examples. Oh, I definitely need to check this out, guys. On the move? No idea. No. Has it something to do with this one? No, it's not. Alright, I'm definitely gonna check it out. What this is. Oh gosh, thank you so much, Annelies, for sending me all this back. Definitely on the move. I want to know what this is. So yeah, all my projects are back to me. Super cute. Thank you so much. I never thought that I would get these back. So that is super nice. All my older projects that I made with the Crealies dies. Amazing. Super cute. Very happy that I got these back. Love to make these bigger cards. No idea how everything goes, but oh, down and up, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I love these ones too. Totally forgot about all of that. Definitely need to use. This is one of my favorite ones. Oh my gosh, look at this. Guys, I need to go. I really need to go back to my craft space. I miss this. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, guys, I just very blessed that I got the chance to meet Annelies in person, because she's amazing. She's such a lovely lady who sends me always such nice dies. And yes, she even take a chance to send my projects back to me. Super cute. Alright, guys, I hope I get better real soon, because this is really killing me. Even standing here. I really need to lean on my desk to stand. So that is not a good thing. So my back is killing me, and the painkillers are devastated for making me weak and ill and dizzy. So, but yeah, what can I say? Everything can happen to anybody, and there are always nastier things to have. So I will get better, I hope pretty soon. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Annelies, for sending me this. Thank you so much for our conversation yesterday. And you did not tell me anything about this package. Naughty you. Thank you so much, Crealies. Check it out, crealies.nl. Where I got all the dies that I use on all of these. So thank you. Bye bye. I definitely need to check out what this is. I'm curious, but I will do that downstairs. And as soon as I am better, I definitely like to try this out. On the Move. Design C. Need to check it out. Oh, whoa, wait. Just one little, maybe. Just maybe it's on here. On the Move. I will see here. Yeah. This is a fold out card. Yeah. Okay. I hope you can see this. It's this one. Well, it's On the Move. Design F. Design E. I got C. Which one is it then? Design C. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, here it is. Oh, here it is, guys. What? Oh my gosh. It's that fold out thing. Oh, I do that normally without a die, but oh my gosh, now I am curious. That is so easy with all the cutouts you can cut out. Oh, wow. Back. Help me, because I really need to get back to craft. Crafting makes me happy, and now I am not happy. See you soon.